spent a couple thousands on my titties and my ass cheek. I don't work jobs, bitch, I am a job. You don't like it, take a hike, pay me for a sucker slob.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? So before we get started, I do want to mention something. If you want to be featured in my video, like if you want to be in my video, you feel me, all you have to do is email my business email, which is going to be right up here, and you can say my intro with me. So y'all know my intro already, but it's what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? Okay, that's all you gotta do. Just send that video to my email, or you can send it to me on Instagram or Snapchat or Twitter, wherever else you follow me, but preferably my email, and I will go ahead and add you in my videos. There's a chance for you to be featured in my videos. I'm super excited to announce that because that would just be so fun and just so cool. Today, I wanted to bring you guys a vibrant glam makeup tutorial. This look is very simple. I literally use three colors, super easy. So this video is sponsored by ZOESQOQ, and honestly, I'm literally in love with her products. Like, I have to say, it's honestly crazy. Like, these products make me feel so bad. Like, it makes me feel so good. Like, I know that's like literally two opposite words, but it just makes you feel like so like high maintenance. Like, I love this look right now, and I feel like I have to give it to the lashes. Without these lashes, the look was still cute, but the lashes really took it to another notch. Her products are literally amazing. Make sure you use my promo code up here if you are gonna go ahead and shop with my girl. The packaging, super cute, super fun, super flirty. You can tell from my background, pink is my thing. Yes, living, loving, we love it. Yes, I will be posting Tuesdays and Thursdays, so stay with me. Team Stacie's Tuesdays and Thursdays. Team Stacie Tuesdays and Thursdays. Team Stacie's Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yes, baby. So if you're ready to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching. Alrighty, y'all, so let's get into this look. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking my I Am Magic concealer from Juvia's Place. This color is in J18, and now I'm going to take this dense blending brush and I'm just going to pat this into my skin. So for this base, I did go a few shades lighter, and that's because we are working with a neon color. So to get that color to pop and be as vibrant as it can be, you want to make sure you use a base that's light. So with my James Charles palette, I'm just showing you guys the color that I'm using. I use that dark brown, the brown next to it, and then also the orange that I showed you. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to build the darkest color into your crease. So I'm going to work with this dark brown, and you see me dipping in multiple times. I'm trying to get as much color payoff as possible. Then with that lighter brown that was next to that dark brown, I'm going to go ahead and pat that color on top. We're not blending yet. First, we're packing on the colors on top of each other, and then we're going to go in and blend it together. And that's how you blend, baby. Okay, I went back in with the dark brown because I lost some color. Now I'm showing you guys the brush, and now we're going to do circular motions to go ahead and get those colors to blend in seamlessly. So here I'm cutting my crease. Typically I love to do half cut creases, but with this look today we're going for a full cut crease, and I cannot remember the last time I did a full cut crease. So this cut crease wasn't perfect, but I mean, I'm just following the shape of my crease. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to cut your crease, I definitely could do that for you. So with that same blending brush, we're just patting in that excess concealer. And now we're going to go ahead. Yo, James Charles should have named this color Cheeto Dust. Like, this look like Cheetos. Like, oh my God. So anyways, I'm packing that on my eye. Just packing motions. I'm getting as much product as I can so we can get as vibrant as it can be. Down below, don't be afraid to tell me the next look that you guys want me to achieve. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look as like neon and like vibrant as I wanted it to be. You guys probably, I mean, I know y'all see the patchiness, but it probably looks still kind of like vibrant like on camera, but in person it's like kind of dull. But So with my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, I'm gonna go in with that brighter red. That liner was so dead, y'all. Okay, I have found my wing liner, and I also have my favorite lashes here over there. So let's move on with this video, okay? So we're just getting a nice little wing liner. I wanted this look to be as dramatic as possible. So yeah, my wing liner definitely can cut a hole, period. To stop my music for this one, baby. Her whole website is like so freaking cute. Her Instagram, I love the theme. Like she is like literally like me, like so pretty, so girly, so pink. I literally love it. I was so confused which lashes I wanted to go with, because like, I mean, first of all, let's look at the packaging. It has like this really pretty like glittery box with like, you know, the white stripe, and the lashes, honey, like hello. When like you're trying to choose your lashes, she's like, pick your vibe, like, you feel me? Because sometimes you want the big lashes and you want some bad bitch vibes, and then sometimes you want like the calm, fun, flirty vibes. I love that. Like, can y'all get into this? So with this look today, we're doing vibrant, we're doing you know, up there, out there, and everywhere. So okay, I think I'm gonna go with, this is Maldives, that's how you say it. It's called Maldives. I'm gonna go with these lashes because they're still fun, flirty, and like still extra, but it's a little calmer. It's just long. Zoe, what the, stop playing with me. Y'all don't see the difference. Like, these lashes just gave me a confidence booster. Like, okay, a bitch been bad, but hello, you messed around, put these lashes on, you just gonna appear in a D-Boys passenger seat. Let me stop playing. I'm messing with these D-Boys, y'all. If you don't watch my story times, you're gonna learn to stop messing with these D-Boys. Okay, this is supposed to be a voiceover. Let me stop talking. Okay, bye, y'all. So I'm just applying a black liner to tie everything together. This is what really makes this look step, okay? And then I'm just gonna smoke out my bottom lash line with that orange from the Zulu palette. And here we're working with the skin. If you don't know, I love hydrating skin. With my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, this is in Savannah, which is 440. Everything I'm using will be listed down below. I'm just taking my Orlander's brush. This brush is in number 1, and I'm just blending it out, okay? Making sure my skin looks like skin. You heard me? Using that same concealer, we're just highlighting my T-zone, under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead, and on top of my lips and my chin. Make sure you don't go too crazy on your forehead. If you got a big forehead like me, you don't need that much concealer. We're not trying to draw more attention to it. And I could not find my favorite makeup sponge, y'all, so I had to use that one, but it got the job done. And with my Sasha's Buttercup setting powder, a lot of people ask me what color this is. It's not the translucent, so I believe it's just like brown, I don't know. But yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my skin with the Ruby Kisses contour palette, and I use like the 3 darkest shades in there. And this palette is in medium to dark. back on my ZOESQQ. So she actually sent me some lip products, and oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna lie, I swatched this one and it's literally so pretty. This color is called Baby Girl. Watch hand, I'm just gonna make a nice little swipe, and you guys see like how pigmented one swipe is, like gorgeous. We'll just put a lot on there. So this color is literally so pretty, and I'm actually going to use this color most likely in my next look. Doesn't match the look that we did today. Loki could still throw it on, but she also had a gloss. First of all, on the lip gloss it has a mirror. So hello, like, hey y'all, it literally has a mirror on there. And then when I had opened this to test this, y'all can't see it because like my room is so lit up, but it literally has a light. Imagine you at a party, at the club, at your man's house, wherever, and you pull out a lip gloss and you put in your lip gloss looking at the mirror of on your lip gloss, and then on top of it your thing got a light on it. Like, girl, bougie at its finest. Like, I love that. When I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh. So after I lined my lips with the brown, I'm gonna go ahead with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in CARIO, C-A-I-R-O. But yeah, so I'm gonna take her and I'm just gonna put it in the rest of my lips, because this look, I do want like an ombre lip, but I want it to be glossy, and I want yeah, a lighter brown. And this color literally works for all women of color. Like, literally it looks super good. The only thing I would say is just lining it, like it by itself, hell nah. Then I'm gonna go ahead with Zoe's lip gloss, and we're gonna top it off. And it smells really good. It's giving me like I feel like I smelled something like this with her. Highlight, nothing crazy, using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm gonna actually go in with my Juvia's palette. This is the Zulu palette. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna lightly go in with the orange, dust off the excess because you don't want a lot at all. And I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks to give color, but the color is still gonna match the look. So you just want to be very light-handed with the orange, just for the apples of my cheeks to add some color. And then I like a very dewy look, so I'm going to go ahead with my NYX Dewy Finish. I'm going to put a little bit because I'm actually going to wash this off. That's it. I'm not putting a lot because I'm about to wash this off. I have work in the morning, so this is just me being a bomb look for y'all, because y'all shouldn't be going out for coronavirus, but just in case you are, you better look good. Okay. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the end of this video, and I say this at the end of all my videos, but baby, I'm feeling this look. This look is giving me so much life. I got a little lipstick on my teeth. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for my next video because I'm posting twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's called Team Stacie Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, yes, I love you guys so much, and don't forget to follow me on all my social networks. Bye, guys.